Hello and welcome to the short video on how to install SPC Connect Pro and get started. In this video, we will show how to install and register SPC Connect Pro. SPC Connect Pro is installed from the web. You will require an SPC Connect installer account to use the tool, and we will show you how to obtain an account. Firstly, we navigate to the URL shown. Here you will find support material and the installer for SPC Connect Pro. Navigating to the URL, select the menu item. Here you will find a range of material designed to support your needs. You will be able to discover new features available in the tool and how to use them. You will also, for your convenience, find the SPC Pro and SPC manuals are now available online. The manual is in a HTML format and can be quickly accessed from any device. We will now start the installation. The installation process will install all components required. Select Install to download the initial installer. Execute this. Accept the EULA and terms and conditions. We now start to install the prerequisites. The EULA must be closed in order to continue with the installation. We confirm the prerequisite has been installed, and now we are installing a framework for the tool. The installer will now download and install the SPC Connect Pro application. Should any updates be available for Connect Pro, the same process will automatically run in order to provide updates to you. The program is now installed and you are seeing a configuration wizard. This ensures that all ports and settings are correct. If required, you can install the USB driver for use with SPC Connect Pro. You must allow access to the local domain for SPC Connect Pro as it uses a web interface. We will now register for an SPC Connect account. We complete the details as required. We confirm the CAPTCHA and click Register an Account. An email has been sent to your account, which you now must acknowledge. If you do not, your account will be deleted. You can now log in and use SPC Connect Pro. There is an additional step which you may wish to consider. This is to create a company on SPC Connect or to join an existing company. SPC Connect is a cloud platform, and our goal is to create an environment to support you and your customers with this powerful platform. Setup is quick and easy. We log in using the same username and password, and we are met with our option of joining a company. This information can be provided by the person who initially created a company. Alternatively, you can create a company, and you can do this by contacting us using the information provided. This is not a required step to use SPC Connect Pro, however it is required to use the SPC Connect functionality within the tool. We will now return to SPC Connect Pro and log in. We enter our username and password. And now we are logged in and ready to start programming panels. You can see local panels and we can immediately start adding sites and programming systems. The new options are all available and working. If you wish to learn more, you may do so by accessing the home page and learning more about the tool and its functionality. For any reason, if you have an issue with the installation, you can reopen the installer in order to configure ports or to change settings. Thank you for watching and goodbye.